Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make easy money with Ebates. You may have heard of Ebates, you've probably seen a commercial for it on TV, and you're probably honestly like, yeah, right, is that even real? Is it worth my time or whatever? So I signed up a number of years ago when I first heard about it, and I'm going to tell you, so there's two strategies. There's, in my opinion, what's a simple way to make money with it, and then there's a little bit more complicated way that for me did not work. So the way that did not work, is to log into the ebates.com and then shop through the portal. I would never do that. So you literally go to stores and find the stores. Here's double cashback stores, which is pretty cool. So I admit that it's cool. You can see who's paying more cash right now, and you can say, oh, okay, I need to shop at landsend.com. They're paying 6% cash back right now. Was 2%. That's not how I do it. Reason being is I don't think that's smart shopping. I only want to spend money on what I'm going to spend money on anyway and get paid for that, right? And it really does work. So you can see up here in the top right corner, I guess that's what I've been paid over the life of using Ebates. That's over a number of years. I'll just show you my account real quick, I guess. So $879. So actually I have a balance that's going to get paid out this next month. Balance of $88.76. I made $1 from GoDaddy, $3 from Lowe's, $6 from Office Depot. This is just shopping that I normally do. So let me show you how I use Ebates in a really easy fashion. So you see up here, I use Google Chrome, and there's a Chrome extension for Ebates, so that every time I go to a store that maybe I would shop at, let's say, oh, I need to go to Walmart.com for something. When I go there should be a pop-up, boom, right here. This is the only annoying thing about it, is that it pops up. But I'll tell you this, it's so easy. All I have to do is click a button. So I click activate. The Ebates is now going to be activated. Now I'll just shop for what I want on Walmart.com when it redirects me real quick. So cool. Now I'm shopping. I buy whatever I'm going to buy if I buy here. And then that money will go to my account. So I didn't go through Ebates to shop. I just shop wherever I normally shop. And maybe I don't even know that they offer Ebates. So sometimes Lowe's does. Let me go there real quick. I'll close out this Walmart one. Also, I'll show you how to get that Chrome extension real quick if you don't know how. So Lowe's, I think, used to. Maybe they don't now. See, is that Landsend? Is that there? Let's see if this pops up. I saw them on the list at Ebates, so it should. If I just go to landsend.com directly, boom, here you go. Activate 6% cash back. So you just do that there. Rather than knowing what stores or whatever, I'm just shopping wherever I shop. And if it happens to have Ebates, great, I make money literally by clicking a button over here. That's all that you have to do. Now, how to get that Chrome extension? 1, you have to be using Google Chrome. I'm assuming you're doing that. 2, open up a new tab. Click that apps button over here, go to the web store and search for Ebates. You could probably just go to Google and say Ebates Chrome extension. So here it is. You can see that I already have it. Yours would be like this, where you would say add to Chrome. So mine is literally in Chrome. Every time I open up, I'm already logged in. I literally have to do nothing, and I've made $879.92. I'm about to get a check for $88.76. There is a referral. In fact, you can use the link. I'll put a link down for a referral. I think I make $25. You get $10 if you buy through the link in a certain amount of time, 90 days or something like that. The main reason is just to show you that it works. But I mean, why not use my referral link and you'll make $10? So there you have it. Any questions? Let me know. I'd be happy to answer them for you, and hopefully you can follow me on other videos and what we're doing. Subscribe. So appreciate it. Have a good one.